initially wanted to just learn how to weld. Now I'm thinking more into the future, more about roll cages and things along those lines.
Gave me that confidence. I'm back to where I belong. I'm back to where I feel good about what I'm doing.
I think the one-on-one idea where you can just go up to them and ask them questions as you're going, definitely something that's great. Even if you're experienced with welding, there's still a thing or two to learn.
If you can get the time, it is worth the money you're going to spend to do it. Absolutely.